So here are some of the things that I implemented in my risk management and mentality for December. I'm gonna change how I'm gonna split up my accounts. That's not. I'm gonna update that one account. What I was going to do, and what I may still do, but right now what I have is split risk into two separate accounts, so that I'm not just dependent on one account. Having two accounts will also allow me to ask for a payout on one and still be able to trade on the other account while preserving capital and securing profits. One account will be dedicated to gold. I like the way gold was moving this month. I just have to make sure that the trades in December on gold are proper setups, risking the right amount and not overtrading and losing back all my profits. So for this month, I will keep my gold trades down to a max of 7 for the week. So also, if I have two successful trades at the beginning of the week on gold, then I have to wait until Thursday or Friday to place another gold trade. This allows time for consolidation and time for me to look at the market with fresh eyes instead of eyes that just had a profit. First trade entry will be a volume of 3. Second entry will be a volume of 1. And I will never have more than two orders at the same time on this pair. I also have started setup on my trades with a 1 of 5 concept, but then moving stop loss so it is a 1 of 4.5 reward. Doing this now also allows me more breathing room and not trade, so I'm not so tight drawdowns and I'm not so fearful on trades and potential losses. With me only placing gold trades in this account, I can track how it's doing on just gold trades. Also, again, it will allow me to get a payout on one and still trade the other. On gold trades, look at the 4 to 2 hour charts for entries in overall direction, looking for swing trades that have stronger probabilities. Max drawdowns for one day is 4% of the day's trades balance, and weekly drawdowns will be max of 7% of weekly starting balance. If I hit my daily max, then any trades for the rest of the week, I will have to place the half of the normal risk level. If I hit my weekly drawdown, then for the next week of trading, I will have to lower risk to half for a minimum of 10 days. My other account will be a combination of other trade pairs, and the reason for this is because it seems like the other pairs move slower at a different time than gold. These pairs will be separate after also because they have a different amount of volume that will be leveraging. On these other accounts, my trades will be placed on a volume of 10 for the first entry and a volume of 5 for my second entry, and the same guidelines for placing trades and over trades as above. I also can only be in 2 trades on one account at the same time at the second pair. That entry has to be at the half risk of the first trade on the other pair. I also want to keep my entries at a minimum of 30-minute charts. I also noticed I was going down lower time frames trying to get excuse me, catch perfect entries, but ended up working against me. One of these issues was having was my stop loss being too tight and also being more fearful on trades going against me. Keeping my trades on a higher time frame gives me more confidence and allows me to have better entries and stronger stop loss levels. This means that I should be using the 4, the 2, and the 1 in the 30-minute primarily, the 4 and the 2 for price assessment because setups are more clear. Dang. Where the heck was I just at? More clear. My goal is to focus less trades, better setups, and proper risk to rewards to be able to capitalize on those wins. All trades must be journals within 1 hour of placing the trade to keep my thoughts and emotions fresh and documentable. I will also make sure to record and document every trade ups and downs in psychology, etc. to be more relatable and so the true process of learning how to trade and staying consistent. The month of December will be focused on following the trade plans to the best of my ability and minimize continued mistakes. This month is not about profits, it's about process and commitment to discipline.